guys, what's up? It's Eunice and welcome back to my channel. So, story time. I filmed this entire video and after filming, I clicked like stop to take like a thumbnail and it said record. So needless to say, I forgot to hit the record button. So this will not be like as soon as I unbox it because I've unboxed every single thing already. And it's so annoying because I already have like a thumbnail and whatnot. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more beauty, lifestyle, or style videos in the coming weeks. And of course, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get into the boxing, not unboxing. I don't know. But yeah, for today's video, I am going to be talking about the Fabfitfun Spring 2019 box. So I have been subscribed to a couple of different boxes all throughout the year. And last year, I actually subscribed to BoxyCharm the entire year. And if you're asking me if subscription boxes are worth it, it highly depends on your needs. So for last year, I was trying to build my makeup collection, and after being subscribed to BoxyCharm for a whole year, I got so many makeup I had to donate. I have to actually throw away some of it because I didn't really like the formula and I've already used it and I can't really donate that. So yeah, I've unsubscribed to that one because I have way too many makeup already and I like purchasing whatever new release is out there. And then I actually subscribed to Fabfitfun once last year. I got the summer editor's box, and the reason why I signed up for that was because they had like the For You Fofo, and once I signed up they didn't really have it in my box anymore, which made me so sad not sign up for the next one. But I really love that box nonetheless. It was a good like first box. If you want to see that unboxing video, I'll put a link up here. But for today, we will be talking about the Fabfitfun Spring box. So Fabfitfun is a lifestyle subscription box. You get 5 to 8 full-size products. It can be beauty, skincare, clothing item, a kitchen item, a workout item. It's a lifestyle box, needless to say. So this box, I believe, is in support of the Ian Somerhalder Foundation, and I didn't know that when I signed up. I just saw it like written at the bottom right of this box and I was like, oh wow, it supports a foundation. I didn't know that. So if you're not familiar with Ian Somerhalder, watch The Vampire Diaries, Damon Salvador. That's him, really cute. Their foundation is funding areas of environment, animal, and the youth. That is a fun little trivia for you guys. So when you open the box, it's a really cute, like, look at that. And of course, all the items are gone because like I said, I've already unboxed this. So all the items are here on my table as well. I didn't really want to like fool you guys but to put everything back in the box when I've already unboxed it. But yeah, when you open the box, you get like the Fabfitfun magazine, which has all the details about the products in your box. For example, you got like a kitchen item, it has recipes to use that item. And if you have like a workout item, it has like workout articles about, you know, that particular item that you got. So like I said, you get this magazine right here, which has all the details, the information about the items in your box. You also get this HelloFresh coupon, and I know from the last one, I think I also got this HelloFresh coupon. I never really used HelloFresh, but you do get one. It's $50 gift card, $25 off your first 2 deliveries. So the first item in this box, which is actually one of the reasons why I subscribed to this season's box, is this Show Me Your Mumu robe. It's like a nice floral spring robe, and I don't really have like a spring dress robe, so this one is perfect. I really love wearing robes when I'm just getting ready in the morning so I don't get makeup all over my outfit and whatnot. So as you can see, it's just like a nice floral robe. It's really soft, and I'm like a petite size. I'm a size 2 to 4. So this is perfect for me. It's not too big, not too small. It's just right. So you can either get this Show Me Your Mumu robe, which retails for $89, or you can get the Dulux Demi Backpack, retails for $75, or this Unplugged Meditation Aromatherapy Diffuser, which retails for $55. You can also have add-ons to your box. I think for $10 you get another item, like a big item. The total value of the box is $226.99 to $314. But next item, you can either get Key Australia sunglasses, this Sony Life Lovers Picnic set, or the Course Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. So I already have those two items. Not necessarily those items, but I already have some of those in my collection. So I opted for the Key Australia sunglasses because spring and summer is coming up. We all want to hit the beach and I need a new pair of sunglasses. So you can either choose between the My Girl or the Vivian style, and I opted for the Vivian style because I don't have like this style of sunglasses. So it comes with, of course, the Key Australia pouch. Ooh! They're huge, like aviator like sunglasses, and they're just black, so it's really neutral. Like, oh my gosh, I might actually wear this to the event I'm going to tomorrow. So love it. I actually tried this a while ago and I really didn't want to take it off anymore because I feel like it fits my face well, and at first I was skeptical because I've never really tried aviator sunglasses, but this one, okay, my hair is like a mess, but I really love it. What do you think? I'm just gonna put it up right here. This one actually retails for $60. So just the robe and the sunglasses alone is $150. What? And I only paid $49.99 for this entire box. Next item is actually a cooking item, and if you don't know Giada De Laurenti, she has a show at the Lifestyle Network, which is Everyday Italian. I grew up watching the Lifestyle Network. My favorites are Barefoot Contessa, Ina Garden, 30-Minute Meals, Rachel Ray, Everyday Italian, Giada De Laurenti, and Bobby Flay. So I saw this, it's Giotzi measuring spoons, and they're in copper, and that's the theme of my kitchen in my apartment in the Philippines when I visit, so that's exciting. But that's going to be toward the end of the year when I show you guys that. So exciting. Hopefully everything goes well. I've got into a little bit of a bump right now and I don't want to talk about it because I want to like sit it off. But anyway, these are the Giotzi measuring spoons, and they're in a copper shade, and as you know, I love copper because it's like a rose gold type of shade. It has like 1 tablespoon, a teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon. And I really love it because it's not like a cheap copper material. It's like really metal. And as you can see, it clings and it's like heavy material. And it has even like engraving of her brand at the back. So that is fun. So you can either get that, the La Vida Aromatic body lotion. I already have a lot of body lotions, so I didn't get that. Or a mystery item, which I don't know. So those spoons retail for $15. Then the next 3 items, you can either get, I didn't get to choose these items, so you can either get the 2 Bandits Athens necklace, the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder, or the Sip by Swell bottle. And I actually got a Sip by Swell bottle in pink. It's really cute. It matches my robe. But I already have a lot of water bottles with me already, and I didn't want to like add clutter into my kitchen cupboard, so I might just gift this, and it's the perfect gift for a friend, as you can see. So that's another thing. If you don't like any of the items, they're really giftable because it's not just one like makeup, because not everybody likes makeup, but you know, everybody needs a water bottle in their life, right? Maybe not everybody wants pink, but I'm sure you can find a friend who may want this. This Sip by Swell bottle retails for $19.99. Next, you can either get the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser Daily Concepts Daily Detox Brush and the 11 by Venus Jump Rope. So what I got is this Tula Purifying Cleanser. So it's probiotic skincare, retails for $28, and it actually says that it's not an ordinary cleanser. It uses the power of probiotics to gently remove dirt, impurities, and makeup while leaving the skin balanced and clarified. So this is perfect because I just ran out of face cleansers, and it's like a huge product. Like, I feel like there's so much in this, and I can definitely use this in the coming months. So the next 3 items, everybody is going to get this. It's not a variation or any type like that. And the first item is this Way Leave-In Conditioner, which again is perfect because I just ran out of my Briogeo leave-in conditioner, and I've been wanting to try Way products for so long, but I haven't gotten into purchasing this. If you're not familiar with Way, they're available in Sephora. They're kind of a high-end brand, high-end hair care brand, and I've heard a lot of really good things about them. So this one retails for $26. Next item is this Dr. Brandt No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel. I actually got the same one but a smaller version in the box, in my BoxyCharm box. Never got to try it, but maybe this time I might try try it. I don't know. What do you guys think about this? Have you tried it? I don't really use ID puffing gels or anything like that because my eye cream right now that I use is Clinique and I feel like it works for me and I don't want to change it. But yeah, it's good to have this in this box and it retails for $42. I want to give it to someone, but it might give them the connotation that I'm telling them that they have eye bags and whatnot. So let's not do that. The last item is this Manica Dar Charcoal Champagne Body Scrub. So it comes in a really pretty rose gold packaging and I don't open like the beauty and skincare products just yet because I have some left in my vanity or my shower area and I don't want to like open them and kill their like shelf life. So that's why I haven't tried any of it. But of course, if I try it and I love it, I'll be sharing that with you guys in the coming months. So this is the last item and this one retails for $24. Wow. My entire box retails for $298.99 plus tax. Because if you get these items plus tax pa yan eh, $49.99 for this entire box. It is so worth it. So yeah. So if you want to subscribe to Fabfitfun, I'll have a link down in my description box. You can definitely use that, but do note that I get a little bit of commission right there. It's like Fabfitfun box cash that I can use toward like a future purchase. Or if you don't want to use that, just go to the fabfitfun.com website. So if you like this video, found it helpful in any way, shape, or form, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what other subscription boxes you have in mind and I'll be sure to check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's Eunice. I'll see you next time. Bye!